What's up? It's pronounced Fag, and I'm Jeremy. Coming at you today, we got an unboxing for the RedStar Exhaust Downpipe. We've been waiting for this for a while. I'm pretty excited. It came all the way in from Russia. Those guys do amazing work from what I've seen online. They reached out to us and asked us if we wanted to check this out. Still paid for it, but we also have a discount code. So if you want free shipping, you go to RedStar Exhaust, put in VAGUH for free shipping at checkout, and you can have one of these bad boys for your ride. So again, we're also doing this giveaway. We got a hat and some stickers. So if you want to hit subscribe, hit the like button, and then leave a comment on this video, and we're gonna pick the winner from there. So that would be totally awesome, and we're gonna get into this unboxing because I can't wait to see what this downpipe looks like. Oh, and if you're wondering what this shirt's all about, because clearly I don't have an Avant, but it does have the Audi Sport Type logo. It's a car club if you're in the Pacific Northwest. Go check out Avants. You can hit up the website at avants.com. They have local groups in Seattle, Portland, different areas around. It's a great bunch of people, and the logo talks about Avants, but it's actually about driving everything, and just a great place. If you're an enthusiast, go hit them up, and you know, if you want to tell them we sent you, that'd be cool too. All right, so let's get into this. First thing we had to do is remove all like, my name was plastered all over this thing. So we had like 50 different addresses of mine that I had to pull off beforehand. And there's just a little bit of tape, right? It's not too bad. It's probably one of the most active unboxings you'll see.
Yeah, there is so much tape on here. It's
and staples,
pretty
I think,
nuts
too, right? Staples.
It might be glued.
It might be glued.
Oh my god.
Be flexing just all over YouTube to open the box.
You're gonna catch a staple across the face.
Yeah, I was worried about hitting it on my hand. All right, so let no one say this wasn't well packed.
I think you might need to move to the floor.
Jeez. By the way, shout out to Sean Hart. He's the USA extension of RedStar Exhaust. He was the one that reached out to us. We'll put a link to go check him out in the description below, or maybe flash it up on the screen or something. In the meantime, we have got some bubble wrap.
Is it a boy or a girl?
I don't know. There's nothing else hiding out in this box.
I think there might be.
Huh? You think there is?
Yeah, I think there's some other accessories.
There's this.
Oh, there we go.
I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that might be the O2 extension. This is all just bubble wrap.
Alright.
Alright, now this is challenging. Check this out, we got more stickers. So maybe we'll throw those to a lucky second winner.
You gotta find the beginning.
I don't even know where to look here. Maybe we should have done time lapse on this part.
You can speed it up, can't you?
I can.
Just look at yourself. Oh man. Alright, so while I'm working away here, I'm going to talk a little bit about the specifications that I ordered. So specifically, when you go to the website, there are some options you can choose. The downpipe for the B9 S5 comes with heat shielding or no heat shielding. I went with heat shielded option. And then you have different levels of cats that you can purchase for it. So you can get the 300 cell, the 200 cell. I think they have a 100 cell, or you can go catless. I am not particularly fond of throwing check engine lights, and there's a pretty good chance with the 200 cell that that's not going to happen. They actually guarantee if you get the 300 cell that won't happen. And of course, 100 cell or 0 cat, if you're gonna get a check engine light, you'll need to throw some sort of tune on there. So, we're starting to see...
I thought we were gonna see a downpipe there soon.
We're starting to cut, it's like got legs. I feel like I'm cutting the pants off of it. I really want to make sure that I'm not cutting into the heat shielding or anything.
Oh my gosh, I've been so excited to see this heat shielding. So I'll do a quick look over here on the OEM heat shield that covers the back. Even the stock downpipe. It's got that dimple. Go back and you look at what we got on the cat here. I've looked high and low, and nobody else does this that I found. Maybe Sean knows. We're gonna have to take some good lighting pictures of the inside of the piping there. I think they also have some of the catless versions posted up.
Stick in here. Okay, well, I thought if we got one leg out of the pants, that the rest of it would come out. That's not correct. Gee, my Christmas. I'm glad they protected it so it could get dinged up when I'm trying to get it to the packaging. All right.
It's free! So this is the 200 cell, you said, right?
Correct, 200 cell.
Oh, and there's that logo prominently on top.
Make sure there's nothing in there. And there is a fresh new downpipe. 200 cell high flow cat, RedStar Exhaust stamped logo, which nobody's probably gonna see except for on this video.
You could keep your engine cover off.
They got this cool logo over here too. I mean, this thing's
that's
really
badass.
high quality. I don't know if you've looked around on like ECS tuning or some different sites and you've seen some of the downpipe options. There's a pretty big variety in what you see. And I've seen some that just look like they were hammered together in somebody's backyard shop, and this is not one of those. So RedStar Exhaust, if you're not familiar with them, which I wasn't, but they do a lot of high-end exhaust work. So McLarens, Audi R8s, a lot of the big, you know, kind of supercar type market. And when I was actually at Auc Tuning the other day, getting the APR Stage 1 tune on the S5 over here, I was talking with Kelly at Auc Tuning, and he said they've actually installed these on a number of the cars that they've worked on at their shop, and all high quality, super good fit, spot on. We're about to find out. The next video that you see from us on this will be an installation video and probably have some additional information, drive times, maybe we'll get some draggy runs and some other data and stuff in there, but we're gonna go try and get this installed and see how that process goes and share that with you. But this is it for the unboxing. Remember, like us, subscribe us, hit that bell for the notifications, and we'll see you soon. See you later. I don't know how that turned out, but
Turned out great.